As I wandered through the verdant gardens of Kyoto, the cherry blossoms blooming in a delicate dance of colors, I spotted her, a woman of mesmerizing grace, enveloped in a full-length coat, adorned with a kaleidoscope of flowers. The enchanted floral pattern seemed to bloom with each step she took, a testament to the mastery of design that breathed life into this extraordinary garment. This was no ordinary coat. It was a symphony of botanical artistry, conceived for the woman who appreciates the beauty of nature's finest creations. Introducing the Floral Fantasia Full-Length Coat, number 6892. Crafted from the finest AI materials, this captivating garment is designed for the romantic and the refined, who understand the true elegance is born from a marriage of artistic vision and timeless style. The exquisite Metaverse fabric, adorned with a vibrant floral pattern inspired by Kyoto's lush gardens, drapes effortlessly over the body, transporting you to a world of enchanting beauty. The vivid colors of the coat, reminiscent of the delicate petals of the cherry blossoms and the lush hues of the exotic flowers, will make you stand out in a sea of monochromatic attire. The sleek silhouette and elegant details, such as the tailored collar and the tasteful gold tone hardware, add a touch of sophistication to the imaginative design. This isn't just a coat, it's an innovation to embrace the splendor of nature's bounty, a celebration of those who dare to dream in vibrant colors and bold patterns. Sizes extra small to extra large. Whether you're strolling through the enchanting gardens of Kyoto or bringing a touch of floral elegance to the city streets, the Floral Fantasia Full-Length Coat will be your constant companion, a testament to your boldness, imagination, and impeccable taste.